Well, one thing about the winter, when it freezes, there's no mud. But the other thing is, when it freezes, it's tough to move the old skid steer. She's froze to the ground. Totally froze to the ground. I shoveled out the sprockets, but not the tracks. Obviously it wasn't enough. Let's see if we can get this sucker off the ground. See if we can get it moving. I want to let it warm up. See what we can do here. We'll see what we can do. Alright. See if we can lift her off the ground. Not happening. Might have to come back after lunch. Not happening today. Froze solid to the ground. Winters. So we can't get her moving this morning. She's too froze to the ground. So fired up machine number 2. We'll get to work here in a minute after she warms up. All right, we're in machine number 2. I got her off the ground a little bit. She won't move either. We're gonna call it a day today. Yeah, so the Mini's froze to the ground too over there. We're gonna go fix a tire, maybe come back when the sun's a little further up. It's just too cold out here. It's like 20 or so. Everything got real warm there for a couple days. Everything melted. Run the machines around in the slop. Then it gets caught in the tracks. Then it freezes. The winter's just tough. It's just tough.